how to set a pattern screen lock on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. Then tap on screen lock type. In here, tap on pattern. And then it said here, remember this pattern. If you forget it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. So try to remember your pattern once you create the pattern. So draw a pattern and then tap on continued. Now you need to draw the same pattern again to confirm. Then tap on the confirm button. And that's it. Now tap on done. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on my lock screen, it is now locked with a pattern lock. So if I want to gain access to the device, I need to draw in the right pattern. If I draw in the wrong pattern, it will not give me access to the device. And once you draw in the correct pattern, you will be able to unlock your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.